Hey guys, this is a video just to show you how to pair or bind the controller to the quad for the very first time. If it is not bound, this is what you would do. First, you're going to turn on the quad. Wait for that to finish its gimbal calibration and for the lights and everything to do what they're supposed to do. Basically wait for it to do its full startup process. Okay, your front light should be solid and the rear white light should be flashing like you see here in the video. Then what you're going to do is you're going to power on the RC. I have my device already connected and my app open. You're going to press the button, the power button, and then you're going to long press it. The lights will turn red. You keep holding it until you hear a beep, and then it binds to the controller or to the quad. So try to keep it so you can see. Press, long press. Lights are red. Keep holding. And we should hear a tone soon. Now it's binding to the quad. Now it's bound. We have FPV, and as you see, our front lights are now flashing and our rear light is now solid. On the screen it says ready to go, VPU at the very top of your interface. So you are now paired or bound between the controller and the quad. Thank you very much. I hope that helped. Click that thumbs up like button and subscribe to my channel if you don't. Take care.